Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 50 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold the power button, and once you have your boot options visible, select power off twice. This obviously will turn off the device. And once the phone is off, which is indicated by the vibration, hold power button and volume up at the same time. Once you start to see any kind of image on the screen, which, there we go, it's going to be INFINIX, and that shows up way too quick, so there we go. Let go of the power button once the INFINIX logo shows up, and keep holding volume up till you have this visible. So XOS with no command under it. Now to get past this, we will need to hold power button and press volume up once, release the power button then, and as you can see we are now in the recovery mode. Now in this mode you will need to utilize volume buttons to navigate up or down depending on which one you press, as so, and the power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options, we have things like reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Then we have reboot to bootloader and enter fastboot mode. Both of them will take us to fastboot mode. Apply updates from ADB or SD card. Oh, nope, never mind. We just have SD card, sorry. Then we have wipe data, factory reset, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. And that's basically everything we have. So anyway, I'm gonna select the first option, confirm it, and like I mentioned, this will now bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.